humming fish. Wow. Swanny swans. Barbaloots. Yeah, that thing. Oh my gosh, that's it! It's just what I need. These trees, they have just what I need for my theme. The touch of these tufts is much softer than silk. They have the sweet smell of fresh butterfly milk. Nature is such a wonderful thing. It makes me want to sing.
Really?
Zip it. I love nature so dang much. All the animals and plants and such. So much to see, so much to hear, so much to touch. I love nature so dang much. Come on, hop up here on my knees. Let's hope you don't carry disease. Wow, you really smell like cheese. Summer, winter, fall, and spring. A song of harmony we sing. Except that thing that ain't the other thing. I love nature so dang much. Yes! I wanna live out in the wild and raise a chipmunk as my child, and spend my evenings eating moss with spider webs for dental floss, and learn to swing from vine to vine and teach a bar